Imagine running your business without a way to keep track of customers, sales, or what's actually working. Pretty chaotic, right? That's where database systems come in. They're like your business's brain, storing, organizing, and helping you make sense of all that valuable information. Think of a database system as a super organized digital filing cabinet. It can store everything from customer names and addresses to images, transaction histories, and more. But it's not just about storage. It processes that information so you can use it to run your business smarter. Now, storing data is one thing, but turning it into decisions? That's business intelligence, or BI. BI is all about gathering your data, analyzing it, and finding insights you can actually use. It helps you spot trends, predict customer behavior, and uncover new opportunities. Databases are the backbone of BI. They collect information from all over, your website, social media, customer records, and bring it together in one place. Then, BI tools step in to turn that data into easy-to-understand reports that guide smarter decisions. Sometimes you've got so much data, you need a bigger solution. That's where a data warehouse comes in. It's a central hub where all your business information lives, so you can look at the big picture, spot patterns, and make confident moves based on real evidence. When your data is organized and analyzed the right way, you're not guessing anymore. You're making decisions backed by facts. That means better marketing, happier customers, and a business that runs more efficiently. If you want to get more out of your data, the database specialists at Everconnect can help. They'll work with you to set up, optimize, and use your databases so your BI process actually drives results. Get in touch today and start making smarter decisions for your business.